I am almost certain that most of us have struggled to pick a right color combination for our Power BI reports. Well, I got a good news. I have got a quick tip that might help you out. But first, let's understand why it's matter. So, choosing a right color combination can make your report not only attractive but easier to understand. And a good color scheme helps guide your audience focus to important data, making sure your insights really stand out. And in the morning, I came across this amazing website called Colorscope, and its super easy color palette generator let you see exactly how different colors work together. Let me walk you through this. You will find a link in the description section. So, select the tools option, go to the palette visualizer, scroll up and select dashboard. And here, this is the generate option I'm talking about. Click on it. It will update report with new color palette. Here, you see color palette used in the design. You can play around by changing the colors. And let's say you like this color combination and now want to play around by shuffling the colors. Here is the option of shuffle colors. You can play around. In order to save the color palette, you can go to the browse, and here you can create a project and save your color palette. So next time you are designing Power BI report, give color code a try and level up your design game. Let me know in the comment section what is your go-to color palette is. Till then, happy reporting and be creative.